more dams you build, water pressure, seismic zone, earthquake happens. And we should not forget Assam. We had one of the biggest earthquake in 1897. Biggest earthquake in 1950. In recent years, there was an earthquake in Sikkim in 2011, Nepal in 2015, where 8,000 people died. We know that. In Afghanistan, earthquake is happening. In Tibetan rivers, not just 1 or 2, 10, 20 dams are being built. On Brahmaputra, there's a plan to build 12 dams. Already 2 or 3 have already been built. The largest one, they say, will be the largest in the world. Tibetans don't need any more hydropower because we have enough energy. But the more dams are built to generate hydropower for Chinese companies and Chinese, enrich themselves. Even the Chinese environmentalists have said, we have to call Tibetan Plateau the third pole national park. But Chinese government is not even listening to their own environmentalists. Because Tibet as a third pole is very fragile. Damming leads to earthquake.